Okay, welcome guys. Just looking here at multiply matrices. Before we really get into actual multiplication or finding the product of matrices, there's a couple of things that we need to make sure we know. First one being here, in the fact that does the product matrix exist? Okay, so that's the first question we need to answer. To do that, we need to start with going and identifying the order of the matrices that we want to find the product of. Okay, now the key here, okay, to find out whether the product matrix actually exists, because we can't just multiply any matrix by another, we need to make sure that the column number in our first matrix is the same as our row number in our second matrix. Okay, now it is in this case, which means that yes, the product matrix definitely exists. Second question, we want to know what the matrix should look like before we start actually finding the product. So if yes, what is the order of that product matrix? So this one here, what's going to tell us that is this value and this value here. That's going to tell us the product matrix, how many rows and how many columns our product matrix is going to have. Now that one here, we can see is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. And we're going to have 4 values that we need to fit in here. So it's really handy to know what your matrix is going to be once you know that the product matrix can exist. From here, next video, so just look to the right, should pop up in a second, is actually going to show you how to now go and multiply or find the product of these two matrices and what the outcome is.